Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0016, indicates a correlation issue between the camshaft position, CMP sensor A, and crankshaft position, CKP sensor. In a Honda Civic 2022 Plus, this error suggests that the engine's powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a significant deviation between the timing of these sensors. The CMP sensors measure the position of the camshaft, which plays a crucial role in controlling the engine's valve timing for optimal performance and efficiency. Meanwhile, the CKP sensor monitors the position and rotational speed of the crankshaft. When the data between these two sensors does not match the expected values, the PCM will trigger the P0016 code, requiring immediate attention to avoid potential engine performance issues. The DTC P0016 relates to the performance of both the camshaft position, CMP, sensor A, and the crankshaft position, CKP sensor. The CMP sensor A is primarily responsible for monitoring the position of one of the camshafts, which controls the timing for when the engine valves open and close. This sensor is situated near the camshaft on the engine, and it sends crucial data to the PCM. The CKP sensor, located at the crankshaft, measures the rotational position and speed of the crankshaft. Reliable information from both sensors is essential for the optimal synchronization of the engine's operation. When the readings from these sensors deviate beyond acceptable limits, the PCM registers a fault, resulting in the P0016 code. Several issues can lead to the P0016 DTC. A malfunctioning variable timing control (VTC) component, such as the VTC oil control solenoid valve A, can disrupt the optimal performance of the camshaft timing. Similarly, if the cam chain is stretched or damaged, it can affect both the timing of the camshaft and the crankshaft, leading to a mismatch in sensor readings. Another potential cause is a faulty oil control solenoid that may not regulate the oil pressure adequately, thus affecting VTC actuators. Lastly, improper timing settings can also result in discrepancies that trigger this DTC, as the sensors are designed to operate within strict parameters. A Honda Civic experiencing a P0016 DTC may exhibit various symptoms, including rough idling, where the engine does not run smoothly and may feel shaky. Drivers might notice engine misfires, which occur when the combustion process is disrupted due to improper timing. Additionally, poor acceleration can be a significant warning sign. The vehicle may feel sluggish and unresponsive when the accelerator is pressed. The appearance of the check engine light is another indicator that something is amiss within the engine's timing control system. These symptoms should not be ignored, as they can lead to more severe engine problems if the underlying issue is not addressed promptly. The first troubleshooting step to address DTC P0016 involves ensuring that the vehicle is in the off mode and allowing the engine to cool down to below 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius. This is crucial for safety and to prevent any overheating issues that might interfere with the testing process. Once the engine has cooled sufficiently, start it up while ensuring the gear is in neutral. At this stage, the engine should idle without any load. Monitoring the engine's behavior during this idle phase allows you to gather preliminary data on any immediate anomalies that may suggest other underlying issues. Confirming that the vehicle operates normally during this idle phase can help isolate the problem to specific components. For the second step in troubleshooting DTC P0016, you will need to turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows access to the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Select the In VTC option within the HDS interface, which is designed to assess the variable timing control functionality of the engine. If the results indicate that the system status is not okay, this confirms that the failure has been duplicated. This step is important for diagnosing whether the issue lies within the VTC system specifically, thereby streamlining your troubleshooting efforts by narrowing down the focus areas. Positive test results can indicate that the components are functioning correctly. The third step involves another cycle of turning the vehicle back to the off mode and ensuring that the engine cools down to below 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, for safe testing conditions. After following this precaution, restart the engine once again and let it idle while in neutral. This time, you will monitor the HDS display for the VTC status to confirm that it changes to on. This action indicates that the VTC system is successfully engaged. It is important to allow the engine to idle until the HDS confirms that the VTC status is on, as this can provide insights into the operational functionality of the variable timing components. Finally, keep a close watch on the OBD status for any indications of DTC P0016 reappearing. Once the necessary repairs are made, addressing the components that triggered the P0016 DTC, the final repair verification involves several important steps. Start by clearing the DTCs from the vehicle system using the HDS. Following this, you need to perform a CKP, crankshaft position, pattern clear, which helps reset any learned values that might have been set during the previous faults. Next, conduct a CKP pattern learn, allowing the PCM to re-establish the baseline for sensor readings. After completing these steps, a short test drive of the vehicle is essential to confirm that the issue has been fully resolved and that no new or recurring DTCs appear. Monitoring the vehicle during this phase ensures proper functioning of the system under normal driving conditions. To avoid encountering DTC P0016 in the future, preventive maintenance plays a critical role. Regular oil changes are essential, as clean oil is vital for the lubrication and proper functioning of various engine components, including VTC systems. Oil degradation can lead to increased wear on the VTC oil control solenoid and other parts, ultimately affecting performance. Additionally, periodic inspections of the VTC components, such as the solenoids and actuators, can catch any signs of wear or malfunction before they lead to a trouble code. Monitoring the performance of the timing system and ensuring that sensors are functioning within the specified parameters will give early warning signs of potential issues, allowing for corrective actions. In summary, DTC P0016 highlights a significant correlation issue between the camshaft position sensor A and the crankshaft position sensor. Understanding the components involved, including their roles and where they are located within the engine, is crucial for accurate diagnostics. The symptoms of this DTC, such as rough idling and poor acceleration, underscore the importance of timely troubleshooting and repairs to prevent further damage. By following structured troubleshooting steps and performing thorough verification after repairs, you can effectively resolve the issue. Preventive measures, such as regular maintenance and monitoring of engine timing systems, will significantly reduce the chances of facing this error in the future, ensuring a smoother driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.